The mullet hairstyle, once popularized by rock stars and rebels in the 80s, has made a stylish comeback in recent years. This edgy and daring haircut is characterized by short hair at the front and sides, and long flowing locks at the back. If you're looking to embrace this bold and trendy look, we've got you covered with this step-by-step tutorial on achieving the mullet hairstyle for women. Step 1. Find your mullet inspiration. Before you jump into the haircut, it's essential to find inspiration for your mullet style. Browse fashion magazines, Instagram, or Pinterest for images of women sporting mullets to discover variations and decide which one suits you best. Step 2. Choose a skilled stylist. A mullet is a precise and intricate haircut, so it's crucial to find a skilled hairstylist with experience in creating this look. Consult with them to discuss your desired mullet style and make sure you both have a clear understanding of the final outcome. Step 3. Hair consultation. During your consultation with your stylist, discuss your hair type, face shape, and maintenance preferences. They will provide valuable insights and adjust the mullet style to suit your unique features and lifestyle. Step 4. Preparing your hair. Before the actual cut, ensure your hair is clean and dry. Your stylist may start by washing and conditioning your hair to make it more manageable. If you have any specific products or styling tools you like to use, inform your stylist during this step. Step 5. Sectioning your hair. Your stylist will begin by sectioning your hair to separate the front, sides, and back. The back section will become the long flowing part of your mullet, while the front and sides will be trimmed shorter. Step 6. Cutting the front and sides. Using sharp scissors or clippers, your stylist will start cutting the front and sides of your hair. The length here is entirely up to your preference, but typically it's shorter than the back. Some mullets have a more dramatic difference in length, while others maintain a subtle contrast. Step 7. Blending and layering. To achieve a seamless transition from the shorter front and sides to the longer back, your stylist will blend and layer the hair. This step requires precision and skill to ensure a balanced and stylish look. Step 8. Cutting the back. The signature feature of the mullet is the long cascading hair at the back. Your stylist will trim and shape this section to your desired length. The length can vary widely, from just below the shoulders to waist length, depending on your preference. Step 9. Styling your mullet. After the cut is complete, your stylist will style your mullet to perfection. They may use products to add texture or hold, as well as show you how to maintain your mullet at home. Experiment with styling to find the look that suits you best. Step 10. Maintenance. Maintaining your mullet is essential to keep it looking sharp and stylish. Regular trims every